it's Kim, and I have a video update for you guys. It's in regards to Beyond the Zone hair color remover, also known as BTZ. In the past, I did rave about the product, how I thought it did a really great job at lifting hair color as far as removing any of the temporary hair dyes or fashion colors or any semi-permanent hair colors. It has been about 2 years since I've used that product. Since then, my opinion has changed dramatically, and if you guys want to learn a little bit more as to why, then stay tuned. So just a little bit more details on the Beyond the Zone hair product. Over the past couple of years, I noticed that every time that I used it, my hair became more dry. It actually got to a point where it overprocessed my hair. And doing it the 2 times that I suggested in the past is what led to doing that. To be honest, you can also see it in my first video. It changed my hair texture. It made it that wet noodle feeling, and it was when you get in the shower, it got to a point where it was just coming out, it was pulling out, it was stringy, and it was just not good for my hair. So since then, I did a lot of research and tried to find a different method as to what would keep my hair or help keep it a little bit more healthy, and I did find an alternative option. This year I had to baby my hair, had to get back to that healthy state. I mean, it took me about 6 months to go through that whole process, and it was totally, it just, you know, it's time consuming, and you want to give up because your hair is falling out and get to a point where you want to actually cut your hair. But because I spent so much money to bleach my hair in the first place, and I'm talking like I spent a lot of money. I did that when I was in Korea last year. You know, I didn't want to cut my hair. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about how I brought my hair back to that healthy state, I can try to make a new video for you guys showing you that process and the products that I use. Those products I will swear by as far as like what's worked for me. I can give you guys an update on that. So this video is actually a tutorial on what I decided to do this time around as far as lifting my hair color. I tend to stick to like the purple and pinkish hair colors. I will leave a clip as far as like what that looked like before, but I went from that color to this blonde. I did that all in one day. What I decided to do this time around was a bleach bath. I did a lot of research. I did a lot of, just watching a lot of videos, and I figured that that was going to be my best bet. I will show you guys what I did to remove that hair color. My opinion on doing the bleach bath and the process that I use. I feel like it actually did a really great job with maintaining the integrity of my hair. That was really important to me this time around. So I feel, in my opinion, I feel like the bleach bath is actually the best method. I'd like to take a moment to also apologize for taking a while to upload a new video. For background, I'm a full-time student in college right now. I also have 2 little kiddos running around, and I recently went through a very intensive internship that was a couple months ago, and it took up a lot of my time, and I had a busy schedule. Thank you guys for being patient for as far as like uploading this new video. And also quick shout out to all of my subscribers. You guys are making my day every time I see a new subscriber, and it inspires me to keep making new videos. I do love doing hair, even though I'm not a professional, and I'm really big into fashion and some of these things that I've mentioned in the past. I will continue to make new videos for you guys. I am really bugged out about my frizzy hair. I have done everything to try to prevent it from being frizzy. My hair is naturally curly. Recently here where I live, it's been raining a lot, so my hair has just been really frizzy. If you guys have any tips on how I can straighten my hair, how to prevent that frizziness, how to get rid of it, basically help my hair stay straightened longer without looking poofy, please comment below. I would really appreciate that. Just a little disclaimer, you guys, I am not a professional. All the products that I did use, I bought that with my own money. These are just the steps that I took. Again, if you guys want to learn a little bit more about how I did that, stay tuned and I'll show you guys.